Welcome back, everyone. How you guys doing? So we are making this fabric, that is Duchess fabric, is what we are going to use for our trumpet sleeve. So please watch this video down to the end, and please comment so that other people can see it and learn. And we are going to use only this material for just the sleeve, is what I'm going to cut for you people to see. Please subscribe and let's get started now. I've said we are not going to cut top or dress. What we are focused on is the trumpet sleeve. So I will be folding it like this. So this is the first folding. I've folded it already just for one. So I will refold it like this again. So this is how to fold it so that we can get our trumpet sleeve, as you can see. So, and it's a triangle. After folding it, you can see that it has formed the triangle shape. So this, I'm going to fold it. I will start with the length as I finished folding it like this. So I will place my tape. Can you see the edges? I will place my tape like this to get my length. So my length that I have here is 24.5 inches. So I will just place my hand here to shifting it like this to continue to mark my 24.5 inches for the length. So I will continue like this while placing my hand here for you not to shift. So that's my 24.5 inches. I'll take it round 24.5 inches. So we have gotten our length for the sleeve. So to get my armhole curve now, I'll also place it like this and mark. I'm marking 8 inches like this. So from there, that's where I will also bring it down to the armhole curve, bringing it up to like this. That is 7 inches. So this, I'm going to curve it like this. So this is it. So that is my armhole curve that have now. So just like this, that you are going to cut it and it will form our triangle sleeve that we need, or trumpet sleeve. So depend the way you want to put it, because after folding it, what are we having here is triangle shape. So you can call it triangle shape or trumpet sleeve. So I will go ahead now to cut it now. I will be cutting it now. So I will start from the down part of it now to cut it out. So I'm cutting the armhole side of it now. So this is how to cut it. So after this now, what I will do now, take it to the machine to go and stitch it out and to show you how it's formed out now. So please subscribe to my channel and comment so that other people can see. So now our two sleeve is out. The two sleeve now that we cut out, you can see the shape now. So what I will do now, go and fold it, that is to join the armhole side like this, and this how it will come out. Our sleeve that I've gone to join together now. So I've joined the armhole side, and you can see the trumpet sleeve, the way you want to call it, the trumpet sleeve, the triangle sleeve. So this is how to cut it. So you can make it for yourself and also fix it on your dress or top that you make. But what we just want to achieve here is to how to cut a triangle flare sleeve or trumpet sleeve. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please also comment, and if you don't know how to cut it, I want you guys to watch it again so that you can cut it by yourself. Bye bye.